Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your channel verification and access to YouTube Studio. That matters because some link types require eligibility. Next, choose the destination: another video, playlist, channel, or an external URL if you meet criteria. Open the target video in YouTube Studio, then locate where you will place the link, cards, end screen, or description. This first step gets you into the interface and clarifies what link tools are available. Once done, you're ready to add the actual link elements. Now you'll add links directly inside the video. For cards, open the Cards editor, choose the card type, paste the destination URL or select a video, and set the exact timestamp so viewers see it at the right moment. For end screens, enter the end screen editor, pick elements and layout, and set them to appear during the final 5 to 20 seconds. This boosts clicks at high engagement points. For descriptions, paste a full clickable URL at the top of the description so it's visible on mobile and desktop. Finish by previewing everything. Play the video on desktop and mobile to confirm cards trigger at the right timestamp and end screens appear as expected. Make sure description links are visible and consider pinning a comment with the same URL for mobile users. If a link doesn't work, double-check the URL, ensure you have permission to link externally, and confirm the target video or playlist isn't private. If problems persist, remove and re-add the element. That often resolves hidden metadata or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.